excuse the wet hair. I have just had a shower, as you saw. We played some tennis this morning, which was lovely. And then as we finished and we were just chilling on the benches, I flipped through my Facebook and I added myself to this Mauritian in the UK Facebook group, and some Nukian came up, and I wanted some. I haven't had proper Mauritian food in so long, and so I'm gonna try and make it today. We'll see if it works out, but I went to the shop and I got what I needed, what I think I need for it. So I'm gonna cook some of that today, and then there's an England friendly on later, as it's the Euros, so me and the boy are gonna watch that and snack on some lovely little snacks that I got in the supermarket as well. This shop does Lay's, which if you have had Lay's over Walker's, I think majority of you would also vote for Lay's. They are so good. And I saw this grilled bacon flavour, never seen that before, looks great. And then was also this pizza Cheetos flavour. So I love trying snacks. Crisps are my favourite food. So that and noodles, oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna try and cook that. This is quite a process. I just looked at a recipe, so we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully good, and maybe you guys will want to try it. This is not a recipe video though. I'm trying it for the first time. So I bought a bunch of kiwis in the shop the other day and I think they're going bad. So I'm probably gonna have to chop those up and we'll eat those for dessert. That's fine. Might make a couple of side dishes because not a lot of pork goes into the dish itself. The boy likes his meat, and might as well cook the rest of it, so I'll do that also. And obviously with some rice, because why not? And I like carbs. Anyway, yeah, let's cook this. Oh, house update stuff. Obviously you saw me paint the mirror, or spray paint the mirror yesterday, which is good. We're actually moving that mirror onto the back wall, which faces the garden. The conservatory had a bunch of ivy on it last week, which we removed, and it's actually made the room a lot brighter, which is great, but that's gonna add to making the room brighter. We still need to paint it. If I face you this way, it's definitely still magnolia. We have sold the dining table, and I have my eye on one that I would like. Hopefully I can get that soon. We definitely still need to paint it, and the hallway doesn't look any different, I don't think. But there's a bookcase there that I need to clear still. The desk on the top of the stairs I need to clear, because then I can remove the rest of the blue carpet, because that's also on the landing. So there's still plenty of house stuff that needs to be done. My hair is dripping down my back because I didn't dry it properly. But yeah, I'm hungry. I actually haven't eaten anything. And the time is, I don't know why the clock says 8 o'clock. It's 4:15. I did eat. I actually got an ice cream from the supermarket on the way back from tennis. Just as a little treat. It was boiling while we were playing tennis. It's not boiling for other countries, but for here it is. It's 23, 24 degrees. And playing tennis in that humidity here was a struggle. So we didn't do too great today, but it was fun at least, and we got some exercise in, so that's good. But yeah, anyway, I'm rambling and I'm hungry, so let's get cooking.
you just help me film then, is that okay?